Hello and welcome to this new episode of Culture Bar. We are going to be continuing. Kizungu Gomu. We are continuing with the series that we've been having. We've been looking at wild animals and the names Neke Usi. So this episode ain't gonna be any different. It's more and more wild animals. So please stick around to the end. So recently, I called a friend of mine. I'm like, "Hey man, are you going to tell me a story?" Then he's like, "Zebra, I don't got a story." So when he said zebra, I found out that I need to talk about zebras in my YouTube channel. But then now that he told me he ain't got a story in Kamambia, bro, how do you live in a story building but you don't have a story? You live in a story building, man. Yeah, so guys, please welcome to my YouTube channel. Tafadhali Mangi Mangi is the name here, and Culture Bank is the YouTube channel. And I'm so happy and so glad that you clicked on your links, you searched on YouTube, and until you found this YouTube channel. It is called Culture Bank with Mangi Mangi. So, like I said, we looked at wild animals in the past two episodes, and this episode is going to be the same. And we said that an animal in Ekeusi is called a ngiti. A domestic animal is a ngiti yogotubwa, and a wild animal is a ngiti yorosana. Yeah, a wild animal is a ngiti yorosana, and then a domestic animal is a ngiti yogotubwa. So we're on with wild animals. So number one on the list today is Enyangau or Ondieki or Mansamu the hyena. Hyena. And then imagine mimi nashukuru Mungu naitwa Mangi. Juu kuna wakisi wanaitwa Nyangau. Na hata kwangi na deba wanaitwa Nyangau. Nyangau wewe na kaizo Nyangau zenu. So number 2, the lizard. The lizard is called Ekigo. Ekigo is the lizard. The lizard is called Ekigo. Ekigegeke is the gecko. Ekigegeke is the gecko. The gecko. It's gecko. The gecko. Ekigo nyamotwe monene. Ekigo nyamotwe monene ne iguana. Oh, iguana is ekigo nyamotwe monene. Ekirongo is the porcupine. Those animals that are throwy. They're very throwy. They're called ekirongo. In the plural is ebirongo. Ekirongo, ebirongo, ebirongo, ekirongo. Rinyabagonku is the squirrel. Rinyabagonku is a squirrel. Squirrels are those small animals depend on trees. Ekiungurieta. Ekiungurieta is a tadpole. Tadpole. Yeah. The tadpole is ekiungurieta. Ano? Embeba. Mana tentu pate chimbeba tioro nana. Gotwara tole chimbeba nyomba mete tetimaete. Chimbeba. Ni goto tuka chimbeba gosichikwereta nyomba. And that's why we need every morning the cat. A cat is called ekemoni. Ekebusi. Embusi. Yes. Ekemoni is the cat. So embeba is the rat. Enuko is the mole. Is this animal tunapata kwa mashamba, yani ukosime kama nyabwari yanta yaraga yenkon ni wazime gomote yanta akira kukurwasi yemeri korunze yaraga yayigota yagotigira moto okunya kuoma. It's called enuko, the mole. Embeba masagiro. Embeba masagiro is the vole. The vole is embeba masagiro. Nile panya kubwa. Nawe eko sano nye limoni. Yani ekimoni ya korora embeba masagiro yatama. The wild cat. Ekoro ku ege simba. Ono ege simba, there is this animal ego chanda abantu usi ekonya kuri chingoko chiamando. Injebuna mangi ngote banga. Maite nawa tebeti want my mata protege. Nyangaresi wanted to be the president of this country. This country. And one of the manifesto that we left out is that as the president are going to put away all ebisimba, tutageta ibisimba asemigondo asichinyumba chiabantu. There will be no more wild cat, chingoko chiabantu, Okay, that is the end of this episode. By the way, I don't want to keep talking till tomorrow. By the way, I can do that. Nini mkisi. Naweza ongea. Niongee. Okay, by the way, niacha kuongea kwanza. Ni chill down, relax, breathe in. Yeah, that is the end of this episode of Mazi. Thanks for joining me on the show. Mangi Mangi is the name. Culture Bank is the YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share with the family and friends and make me a very, very happy boy. Yeah, very happy boy. So please subscribe and share. Turn on the notifications bell. At least ujue something new is here every week. We are here on Culture Bank, and God bless you all, my people, the YouTube fam, Culture Bank fam, Culture Bank fam. God bless you and see you in the next episode.